golden canopy. We listen close, body and spirit, mind in the wild's embrace. Whispers of wind, counting the leaves, patterns in branches, the language of trees. Eyes hold the puzzles, heart feels the pulse. Science and spirit join in one pulse. Our harmony blooms in nature's light. Sacred moments draw minds bright. We learn, we wonder, together aligned. Spirit and knowledge, one path combined. Footsteps in earth, tracing the flow, data of rivers, secrets they show, luminescence of stars, math in the sky, seeking the roots where soul and thought tie. Harmony blooms in nature's light. Sacred moments draw minds bright. We learn, we wonder, together aligned. Spirit and knowledge, one path combined. Silent songs branch out, echo in veins. Mind unfolds, spirit sustains. Every discovery